Afternoon, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earthwatch on Sunday, May 21, 2023 on our planet. Hope you're all well. So this is a follow-up report, earthquake report, to my post on Facebook. This is a confirmation of my forecasted antipode response. So earlier today we had a 6.8 in this region here. Southeast of Africa, shallow 6.8. I stated in my Facebook post to expect an antipode response between 5.0 and 5.6. Anywhere along the Mendocino Ridge or the Juan de Fuca fracture zone. So this is confirmation of the antipode response from the previous 6.8 earthquake wave, 5.6 at 2 kilometers depth, along with a 5.1 at 21 kilometers depth. So folks, this earthquake here on the Mendocino Ridge on the bottom end of the Gorda Plate is the forecasted expected antipode response from the 6.8 earlier on. So this gives you an idea. It doesn't necessarily have to take 24, 48, 72 hours for an antipode response. Let's just quickly go back on the times here. (0803) One moment, please. And 11:44. So 3.5 hours it took for that seismic energy to travel through the center of the Earth and come out on the other side. So remember, the parameters for an antipode earthquake are anything 6.5 or larger. As it passes through the Earth, through the center of the Earth, it can lose between a 1 and 1.5 magnitude. Here, antipode is now, as the seismic wave travels through the core of the Earth, it can be deflected by up to 30 degrees. So the exact antipode point is right here. There you go. Forecast antipode hit.